How do you expect a young kid to pay attention in class when they're freaking gasping for air all night? It's just not going to happen. And in those years of development, right, under 16, 18 years old, the hormone production that's going on for cognitive development, physical development, and we know now that pediatric apnea is way more big of an issue than adult apnea. So it's frustrating because now we're just getting to adults. And then you've got pediatrics, which is the best time to address it because you don't even need to do, skeletal style invasive stuff. Just put them in the right opportunity to develop their jaws and they'll be fine.